Why do we choose steak over vegetables at dinner, waiting off concerns about high cholesterol? Why do we splurge on luxury cars, rather than save for retirement? Why can't we stick to our exercise programs? Hal Hershfield, a professor of marketing, behavioral decision-making, and psychology at UCLA's Anderson School of Management, says this has to do with the future self. According to him, many of us view the future as incredibly distant, making us more likely to opt for immediate gratification that disregards our health and well-being in the years to come. This means that we see our future selves as strangers. The reason boils down to uncertainty. We're familiar with our present self because we live in the now. The future, by contrast, is uncertain, which can make our future self seem distant and blurry. This perceptual distance makes our future self feel like a different person. Then what should we do? Hal Hershfield advises using emotions to connect with your future self. Hal and his colleagues' research indicated that individuals who report a deeper emotional connection with their future selves had amassed more financial assets over time. Interestingly, they also exhibited greater happiness over a 10-year span, find more purpose in their lives, and consistently engaged in healthier behaviors. This was referenced by Hal Hershfield's book, Your Future Self: How to Make Tomorrow Better Today. Do you want to make tomorrow better than today? If so, try to connect with your future self.